Hello people and welcome back to yet another epic episode on Maxime channel. This time we prepared another road rage classic for you to enjoy. And without any further ado, let's get this episode started. This is what happens when you decide to ride out during a gas shortage crisis. Some guy got upset at a bunch of bikers for getting their gas and it almost came to a fight. Check out how this biker cunningly handled the situation.
Alright, thank you, sir. Say what? We gotta go over there behind that red car and get gas. When I pulled up, there was just these guys right here, and I'm in the line too.
Oh yeah, no, this is my boy, man.
I don't care who he is, man.
We took up less gas than a truck.
Look, man, I do not care, man.
I understand. Do you take 93? Do you take 93?
Yeah, that maximum takes
you
93.
do? I got you then.
Alright.
So yeah, want to get back in your car then?
Okay.
Rather not have to hold.
I got this. Don't worry about it. I lied to that guy. Let's go.
Got him!
I lied to that guy. I know you're like, I got you, bro.
This biker got rear-ended by a careless driver whose foot got stuck. Well, according to him at least. Everything was cool until the biker told him he had to call the cops. Things started to go down south after that.
Good, bro. That ain't my fault. My feet got stuck in. Look, I'm driving with a shoe off, bro. My feet got stuck.
I know, dude. I know, man. But look.
What you want? Some insurance or something?
Well, we gotta do the report. I mean, look, up, man. This is my basket, and I ain't even tripping though.
That shit barely.
I know, but
bro.
look, I'm not even mad right now. But damn, like, you know, I could have gotten hurt.
Yeah, but you didn't. That's what I'm saying. It's just a little ass hit tap. That's all it was.
All right, so.
But that's what I'm saying. You want
yeah.
to take a picture of my insurance? You can take a picture and do whatever.
We gotta
report you
call the
wanna do.
police first.
Oh, hell no!
And I'm being cool with you too.
You don't even have to call no police. I got insurance. I got a driver's license. Take the picture and whatever.
We gotta
report you
file
need
the
to do,
report, man.
Do the.
He immediately started to act suspicious when the police got mentioned. He even rushed him to take a picture of his insurance, saying there is no need to get the cops involved. This alone is fishy enough to me.
Bro, I don't understand what you're saying. You don't have anything. You can take a picture of the insurance and my driver's license, go to the police station, make the report. What is it? What is the big?
We gotta have you here. Yeah. Wanna wait?
The license plate right there too, bro. I don't give a about you taking a picture of license plate. I'm not. You acting like I killed you or something.
You
nigga.
almost did, dude. What
Not here anyway.
what you mean? I was riding on my lane. What about your license? Hey, your license. Yo. Yes, I would like to report. Somebody hit me, and they didn't stay for the police to show up.
Angry van man got upset at a biker for parking next to him. For some reason, he believed that he wasn't worthy of parking there. But the biker didn't want to put up with his nonsense, and a wild argument unfolded. Check it out.
What? Why? So? Am I not parked? Am I not good enough to park here, dude? No. No? Neither is that piece of This is a premium spot. Where are you from, Oregon? Yeah. Look at this guy. Right? Hey, brother, say hi to YouTube for me. Yeah, too. What a Barney. Tourist. Gladly. You too, brother. Yeah.
A pure example of an impatient driver getting what he deserves.
Venga, espérese un momentico, yo paso, me va a echar el carro para encima. ¿Estás pejo, hermano? ¿Es que me va a echar el carro por encima o qué? ¿No es que yo voy en una moto, hermano? Yo voy en una moto, usted va en un carro, hermano. ¿Cómo bobo o qué? Lo llevo en la cámara.
Biker got annoyed because he was constantly getting brake checked, but another driver that was on his left side had something to say as well. Check out this crazy encounter.
Guys. It's gonna hit his own homie. Look, you guys are idiots. Bro, you and your car. Keep it pushing, boy, with your car. Bro, you ain't gonna step out the car.
Random pedestrian flipped the biker off as he passed by, but when the biker turned around to confront him about it, this pedestrian got quiet all of a sudden.
Yeah, too, buddy. Hold on. Hey, why'd you flip me off? Why'd you flip me off? That's what I thought.
Biker had a fine choice of words for these drunk girls who nearly hit him as they sped past.
Hey, what the was that? What was that? You almost hit me.
We didn't almost hit you.
Yeah, you did, you drunk. What the
Some crazy scenes were caught on this biker's camera. Check out how another driver nearly wiped out the biker. This was way too close for comfort, and at the next traffic lights, boy oh boy, they did not hold back. This biker has zero chill to drivers who don't pay attention at their mirrors. This driver didn't look both ways before pulling out onto the road, well, and the biker took his mirror.
¿Qué, mi hermano? Lo pone señales, mae, para eso tener retrovisores, weón. Puta, ahí no anda un animal, anda una persona, mae. Dice que tiene hijos y la vara, weón. Puta, mae.
Go ahead, buddy. It seems that the biker is invisible anyways.
What are you doing? These mirrors, please.
From what I can see, the biker in front cut the corner short, and the driver in a red car didn't like it at all. He turned around, and this is what happened. When you just don't care about the biker or anyone else in traffic, well, might as well pull out in front of them like this crazy driver here.
Dude! What the f? What are you doing?
Biker was not pleased with this driver for not indicating nor looking at all before switching into his own lane. It came to road rage. Watch.
Did you watch? You see? You going in? You need to open your eyes. You got the camera. You see, he come in my lane. Yeah. You don't have indicator, no? No? What is this? Idiot.
Driver was tailgating these bikers for some reason, and he was really nervous. At first, he honked at the biker in front, and later on, it came to a heated argument. Check it out.
What? What's the problem, mate? I've been waiting for 5 years, you dickhead. So what's the difference? I just haven't got my piece, but I've been going for 5 years. Relax, mate. Get in your lane, dumbass.
Even during the group ride, there always has to be that someone who causes mischief and trouble.
What the hell, Cody? What the hell, bro?
And with this clip, we conclude yet another episode on Maxime channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this one as well, but more importantly, I hope you took notes and managed to learn something based on the mistakes of these drivers and riders. It's always a good thing if you can learn on the mistakes of others instead of making them. If you like this type of content, feel free to hit that like button because it helps our channel grow, and subscribe while you're at it. Thank you for your support up until this point, and hopefully, we'll see each other soon in the next episode. Stay safe and take care.